こんにちは、ゆうか先生です。Today, let's learn how to use too with an adjective as in too difficult or too expensive. To create such expressions, you need to use this word. 過ぎる、過ぎる。過ぎる is a verb meaning to exceed or go too far, and you combine this verb with an adjective.But before getting into how to combine them, let's learn a little more about the verb 過ぎる。過ぎる is a rule verb or group 2 verb, so the conjugation is very simple. Just like any other rule verbs or group 2 verbs, you only need to change the ending to conjugate it. The plain form is 過ぎる。The mass form is 過ぎます。過ぎます。The te form is 過ぎて、過ぎて。And you can use any form of 過ぎる with adjectives. I'll be using the mass form 過ぎます in today's lesson so that we can express things in polite speech. Let's start with e-adjectives and learn how to combine them with 過ぎます。Any e-adjective has e at the end, right? For example, expensive is 高い、高い。Now, to say too expensive, you combine 高い with 過ぎます. And here's how you do it. You drop the ending e to change 高い to 高 and place it before 過ぎます. So, too expensive in Japanese is 高すぎます。高すぎます。You do the same with any other e-adjectives. You drop the ending e and place the adjective before 過ぎます。For example, dark is 暗い. So, too dark is 暗すぎます。暗すぎます。Too small is 小さすぎます。小さすぎます。Too young is 若すぎます。若すぎます。Too busy is 忙しすぎます。忙しすぎます。Now, be careful with this e-adjective. As always, the adjective good, e is an exception, and the too good is not いすぎます。It's よすぎます。よすぎます。You apply this conjugation to any e-adjectives that have e in it, such as good looking, かっこいい. So, too good looking is かっこよすぎます。かっこよすぎます。Now you know how to combine e-adjectives with すぎます。Okay, let's move on to na-adjectives. To combine an adjective such as 静かな with 過ぎます, you have to drop this ending な. So, 静かな becomes 静か. And you place it before 過ぎます. So, too quiet in Japanese is 静かすぎます。静かすぎます。You do the same with any other adjectives. Too stingy is ケチすぎます。ケチすぎます。Too stubborn is 頑固すぎます。頑固すぎます。Too selfish or too self-centered is わがまますぎます。わがまますぎます。So this is the summary of combining adjectives with 過ぎます. For e-adjectives, drop the ending e and add 過ぎます. For na-adjectives, drop the ending na and add sugimasu. It's pretty simple, right? Okay, now that you know how to use adjectives with sugimasu, let's practice making some sentences. Here's the first one. This shop is too expensive. How do you say this in Japanese? そうですね。That's right. この店は高すぎます。この店は高すぎます。What about this one? The countryside is too quiet. We say 田舎 for countryside. そうですね。田舎は静かすぎます。田舎は静かすぎます。Let's try some more sentences. Can you say this in Japanese now? The adjective old is 古い。The answer is このパソコンは古すぎます。このパソコンは古すぎます。これはどうですか? What about this one? Timid is 臆病な in Japanese. 答えは The answer is うちの犬は臆病すぎます。うちの犬は臆病すぎます。By the way, when something both living and non-living belongs to the entire family or household, you can use うちの which can be translated as my or our depending on the context. では、もう一つやってみましょう。Okay, let's try one more. I think many of you can relate to this statement. 日本語で何と言いますか? How do you say this in Japanese? そうですね。日本語は難しすぎます。日本語は難しすぎます。I hope now you are getting used to using すぎます。This is a small segment of a lesson in the online course Japanese 5 Adjective Master Course. The course is self-paced and includes comprehensive video lessons like this one. It also provides 78 pages of PDF materials, including a list of 345 adjectives. If you want to learn more about the course, please visit smilenihongo.com/C5. I look forward to having you as my student and being part of your Japanese learning journey. Okay, can we try making a little more complex sentence like this? Regarding Japanese, the grammar is too difficult. The main topic of the sentence is still the Japanese language, 日本語, but now you have a specific subject about the main topic, which is grammar, 文法. When you have a specific subject about a main topic like this, you mark it with the particle が. As a result, this is the entire sentence. 日本語は文法が難しすぎます。日本語は文法が難しすぎます。You can use this structure to mention other aspects of Japanese that you think are difficult. For instance, if you think the pronunciation is difficult, you can say 日本語は発音が難しすぎます。日本語は発音が難しすぎます。If you think kanji is difficult, then you can say 日本語は漢字が難しすぎます。日本語は漢字が難しすぎます。 日本語は何が難しいですか? For you, what is difficult about the Japanese language? Let me know your opinion in the comment section. I'm curious to see if you can say it in Japanese now. こんにちは、ゆうこ先生です。日本語オンライン学校スマイル日本語アカデミーで日本語を教えています。I have been teaching Japanese to English-speaking learners in the USA for many years, and now I provide online courses for learners worldwide. In my courses, you can learn Japanese in your spare time at your own pace. If you are interested in my Japanese online courses, please go to smilenihongo.com/class to check available courses. If you are not sure which course is best for your level, you can go to smilenihongo.com/placement to try the placement test. I was once an English learner, so I completely understand your struggle. Learning a new language can be challenging, but the outcome is priceless, and it opens up so many possibilities for you. So don't give up and enjoy the journey. I look forward to having you as my student. 皆さんと一緒に日本語を勉強するのを楽しみにしています。ではまた次のレッスンで会いましょう。